Hi, this is Best India Reviews. Quick, honest reviews to help you choose the right product every time. Let's begin.
In this video, we will share the best dehumidifier for RV you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many dehumidifier for RV and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each dehumidifier for RV, so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss what to consider when buying a dehumidifier for your RV. Start by looking at the dehumidifier's size and capacity, because RVs have limited space, and you need a unit that fits comfortably while effectively removing moisture. Next, think about energy efficiency, since RVs often rely on limited power sources, and an efficient model will save electricity and battery life. Noise level is also important, because you'll be living close to the machine, so choose one that runs quietly. Humidity control features, such as adjustable settings or automatic shutoff, help maintain ideal moisture levels without constant monitoring. Finally, check for portability and ease of maintenance, as you may need to move or clean it frequently during travel. A compact, quiet, and efficient dehumidifier will keep your RV comfortable and mold-free on the road. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel.